Hey, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, I'm Brian, and today we're diving into something super juicy. 20 digital products you can literally make in one day. Yep, not weeks, not months, just a few hours, and these things can sell over and over again while you sleep. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for your next passive income stream, you're gonna want to take notes. So grab your coffee, open up Notion or Google Docs, and let's dive right in. Now I know, make money online stuff can feel like hype sometimes. But I've personally sold some of these products or seen others crush it with them. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to code. And you don't even need a big audience. If you've got a computer, Wi-Fi, and a little creativity, you're in the game. Let's go. 1. Printable planners. These are huge on Etsy. Think daily planners, fitness trackers, meal plans, budget planners, you name it. You can design them in Canva, and boom. Save as a PDF and start selling. Tip: stick to a niche. For example, a fitness tracker for new moms will outsell a generic one any day. 2. Journals. Gratitude journals, manifestation journals, self-care logs. People love tools that make them feel better. And once you make one, you can tweak the same layout for different themes. 3. Worksheets. Especially good for coaches, teachers, and course creators. Think goal-setting worksheets, vision boards, budgeting sheets. So simple. So useful. 4. Checklists. These are underrated gold. SEO checklists, launch checklists, travel prep. You can literally make these in under an hour. A bonus tip: bundle 3 to 5 together as a starter kit for more perceived value. 5. Resume and cover letter templates. If you've ever applied for a job, you know a polished resume stands out. Create editable templates in Word, Google Docs, or even Canva. 6. Invoice templates. Perfect for freelancers. Make a clean, professional invoice, add a few variations, and you've got a product. 7. Notion templates. People are obsessed with Notion. Dashboards, habit trackers, goal planners, and they're easy to build. 8. Spreadsheet tools. Use Google Sheets or Excel to create budgeting tools, content calendars, or even a business expense tracker. 9. Lead magnet templates. These are freebies people use to grow their email list. You can sell editable lead magnet templates for coaches, creators, or marketers. 10. Business starter kits. Logo templates, brand guides, pitch decks, all bundled for freelancers or startups. Canva is your best friend here. 11. Social media templates. Instagram carousels, Pinterest pins, TikTok quote cards. Everyone wants plug-and-play visuals. Make a bundle in Canva, export as editable files, and you're set. 12. Canva video templates. Think YouTube intros, Reels transitions, or TikTok overlays. Canva's video editor is easy to use, and people pay good money for these. 13. Coloring pages. Yes, adults buy coloring pages, especially for mindfulness. You can draw them in Illustrator or even trace outlines in Canva. Offer themed bundles like Mandala Mindfulness or Kids Dinosaurs. 14. Audiograms or podcast snippets. If you have podcasting skills, you can make soundbite clips for creators using tools like Headliner. 15. Royalty-free music or loops. If you're musically inclined, create background music, lo-fi beats, or sound effects and sell them on Gumroad or SoundCloud. 16. Swipe files. These are pre-written email scripts, cold DM messages, ad copy, etc. Super valuable for marketers or small business owners. Curate 100 high-converting subject lines and sell them as a swipe file. 17. ChatGPT prompt packs. Yup, people sell prompt bundles now. You can target niches. Prompts for bloggers, coders, coaches, etc. Easy to put together. High demand. 18. E-books. Short guides like 10 ways to grow your Etsy shop, or The Beginner's Guide to Dropshipping. Don't overthink it, 10 to 15 pages is enough. 19. Legal templates, with a disclaimer. NDAs, freelance agreements, influencer contracts. You can create these based on public formats, but always recommend buyers consult a lawyer. 20. Website templates. Especially for platforms like Webflow, Card, or simple HTML, CSS templates. You can literally sell one-pagers. Alright, those are 20 digital products you can build in a day and start selling this week. The key takeaway? Greater than don't wait for it to be perfect. Pick one idea from this list, make it, list it, and improve it as you go. If you want a follow-up video on how to price these where to sell them or how to build a simple funnel drop a comment below and hit that like button so I know you're into this content. And if you made it this far, you're serious about building income online, so consider subscribing. Catch you in the next video.